Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, today we'll repair behringer. I will repair behringer model MX882. This is 8 channel splitter and mixer both. So the complaint in this is there's a cracking sound when you rotate the volume. When you rotate the volume, any volume, 6 out of 6 or 8 volumes, so there is a cracking sound, distortion sound when you rotate this one. So there is a distortion sound, cracking sound, like that, So what we will do, we will replace sound as well as the switches also. These switches you can see, these switches also we can replace. So okay guys, so don't do anything, just open the top cover and start replacing all the volumes. Just keep watching my video guys. So friends, I have replaced all this one. There was a problem, cracking sound was coming. So this is the behringer one, model MX882, 8 channels splitter and mixer. So I have replaced all this volume control because there was a cracking sound over here. So I replaced all the controller with the new one. So I have already replaced, and also the splitter mixer switches also I have replaced with the new one. So still 2 more to be fixed, so we'll fix the other 2 also. So guys, we have replaced all the switches, 1 2 3 4 5 7 switches and 6 volume control. So these are the one, these are the faulty one. You replace it, all the switches. The cracking sound was coming when you press this one. Cracking sound was coming. So when you rotate the volume also, so you can hear some distortion sound, you can say distortion sound. So we have replaced all the controller, this one, all with the new one. So now we'll fix it back and we'll check. Just keep watching the video guys. So we'll so guys, I have put it back everything. So I'll put it on now. I put it on, power comes, I will give the input signal. I will give the input signal. So I connected to my mobile. Okay, I have given the input. Before this was all volumes was distortion sound, like that, cracking sound was there. So now it's not there. So when I was moving like this was cracking sound. This also, master also. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, see you very soon next video. Bye.